This is cold thing where a country somewhere near the North Pole is the weather is cold and it's winter all the time. Where is it freeze? Snowing is freezing. When it's freezing, it's snowing. And so you can imagine how cold it is. Because it's so cold where everybody who lives in cold as well, because somebody comes from cold because they have a wet nose. People from cold, there's only one with wet nose. Cold is red dogs. Those dogs. Jason Red Nose catch Jason Red Nose mice. In the corner, you see Red Nose elephant. What do you hear the most in Coldland? Is a nose that sound like this. Achoo! The cold of this sneezing is called coming. Indeed, is cold, which is not very surprised. It is the story of Mr. Sneeze, who lives in a small silk-covered cottage in Chivaltown, in the capital of Coldland. Oh no, he's sick. Oh no, he has a red nose because he's sick. Every morning, Mr. T woke up and sneezed, and got up and sneezed, and got dressed and sneezed, and went downstairs, sneezed, and ate his breakfast and sneezed, went to work, still sneezing. What? The red nose still. I don't like this sneezing all the time, he thought to himself. Every day until one day he decided to leave Coldland to try a new fall. Mommy?
Yes.
What is this spelled?
Find a cure.
Okay. Try to find a cure for the sneezing. So the same day, Mr. Seuss packed his things he needed for his journey.